My name is Teofilo Plaza. I'm the styling designer of the 800 Crossrunner and the brand new NC700X. They both somehow belong to a similar family. They're both crossovers, but as you know, the one presented last year, the Crossrunner, is a more easy sport fan oriented. It has an 800 V4 engine and VFR derivated frame, which makes it a very easy bike to ride. But today I would like to talk especially about this one, the 700X. This bike actually is like a little sister of the big one, but it has its own personality. It's a bike that is based on a lot of commuting, but some very easy weekend fun. You can go touring with it and everything. The most distinctive features of this bike, I would say, is a very when I made this design, I made a very low, let's say, profile line, which actually makes it look like very easy to ride. And at the same time, it was very difficult, very challenging to introduce the full-size helmet box. Anyway, the design overall is to make very easy to ride fun for maybe those that are not so expert, and I hope everybody will appreciate this motorcycle.